Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's Sunday, March 31st, 2019, and it's weigh-in day. So today, Jasper's not feeling well, and I got up this morning and I went and led the choir. But now I am staying home with my toddler from church. Everyone else has gone off to church, so I have to be down here on the main floor. And if you hear Spider-Man in the background, that would be why, because that is how I am currently distracting him. I'm not exactly sure what's wrong with him, but we're just not sure. So we're going to keep him home just to make sure that it's not. I think he's having an allergic reaction, actually, because he's got eczema on his legs really bad again. So I think that's what it is. But just to be on the safe side, we're keeping him home from church. So, how's it going for all of you? I hope it was a great week for you. I really felt like I got a handle on the maintenance macros this week. My meals are starting to really come together where I know what I want to have, and I have it all planned out better. I kind of have a feel on how much of each thing I want to do at each meal, and I feel like it went really well this week. I didn't feel as stressed out this week or as worried. Not exactly sure what was the deal with me last week. I was coming up on my cycle, so maybe that's part of it. Maybe I was just feeling a little bit down. I have noticed that I have felt a little bit more like verklempt. I don't know what the word is. Like, not necessarily sad, but like, I don't know, just kind of sappy this week. But I'm not sure if that has anything to do with my diet or if it's just me. I guess you never know. So let's just get to the weigh-in and then we can talk about it. So as you can see, I weighed in today at 180.3 pounds. So that's about 3 pounds down from last week, which I'm sure you can imagine has made me feel a lot better. So, and my measurements, I have to say, I'm very happy to say that most all of my measurements have gone back to where they were, except for my waist measurement. And I'm guessing that's just because I'm still retaining some water. I definitely have some water in my ankles that I can feel and still in my hands. So that answers the question for me. Is this just water weight or am I actually putting on fat? I am definitely not putting on fat, eating 2,000 to 2,300 calories. That is where I wanted to have my set point. It's where I feel satisfied. It's where I don't feel like I'm on a diet and I feel like I'm enjoying the food that I'm eating. So I have decided that I'm going to go ahead and keep going on that. I didn't expect to retain water on it. I don't know why. I think it's because I thought since I switched bars to a non-maltitol bar, that maybe that would make a difference than it did last time, because I know I retained water the last few times I did this as well. I just didn't worry over it because I wasn't tracking everything and trying to figure out my exact macros to stick to for maintenance. So this is a little bit more tricky this time. It's a little bit more complicated, but I feel like I'm getting my head wrapped around it and it's starting to work. So I am guessing the peanuts and the bars may be the issue with the water weight, but I've decided that I don't really mind hanging on to that water weight so long as I am maintaining my weight, because that is the point. Also, those foods make me feel happy when I'm at the dance studio. They make it feel really convenient, and they are the foods that I researched and decided that I wanted to consume. I know there's a lot of disagreement with me on that, and that is fine. You are free to have your opinion on what I eat, but I am also free to choose to eat what I would like to eat, and that is how I've decided to do it. There are many ways to do it, and this really works for me because I spend so much time at the dance studio. It's really nice for me to be able to have that little extra meal of packaged things that I can eat at the dance studio. I'm not overindulging on them. They aren't causing me any cravings. I don't feel like I need to eat more than one. So I feel like I've got a pretty good handle on what I am doing at this point. So yeah, I feel like it's going really well. I'm happy that, of course, my weight went down a little bit and that my measurements got back to normal so that if it goes up and down, I don't have to panic. I'm hoping to hold now with the water weight. So that's my new goal. I realized that if I wanted to actually see 170s on the scale, I should have gotten down 5 more pounds. I'm probably not going to be able to maintain in the 170s until I get closer to the bottom end of 170, get down closer to 170 or 160s to be able to see that during a maintenance if I'm going to be using these inflammatory foods. Now, I know that I am super sensitive to sunflower seeds, and these bars have sunflower seeds basically sunflower butter in them. And also, I noticed that the bars I used last time that had the maltitol also had sunflower oil in. So who knows if it was even the maltitol that was holding the water last time. So the last time I did this, I actually did keep losing a little bit of weight. And so I thought that I was just kind of maintaining. But then when I got to June and I went off, I lost 20 pounds in June, which was the largest amount of weight that I had ever actually lost in a month. And I'm guessing most of it was water from the foods that I was eating during the maintenance time, and that I wasn't eating enough, and that I had lost weight. So I don't really want to lose any weight. I mean, it would be nice to lose a few more pounds, but I really want to get a handle on this. And so I really am hoping that I can stay the same. So my goal is basically to try and hold here and not lose a lot of fat, so that when I go into June, I don't drop 20 pounds all of a sudden, that I drop like 6 and I'm back to where I was. So that's kind of where my head is at. I just thought I'd let you guys know. I know you're all curious as to what I'm going to keep on doing. I hope this isn't boring for you guys. I know that it's much more exciting to watch my weight drop every week, but for me, this is something that I feel like, as a mentor and as a teacher and as a person, that getting a handle on maintenance is extremely important. I want to be able to give advice on maintenance based on my own actual experience, rather than just anecdotal things that I've been told or whatever over time. So that's my current plan. I hope that you guys like it. And if not, I'm sorry, but it is my life and it is what I'm doing, and I am sharing and being honest and all that. I'm not going to hide it from you. I am going to continue to eat my new Primal Thin bars. I just ordered another flavor, and I am going to continue eating my lovely keto cakes because I have that option and they are amazing. And we'll see how it goes with the nuts. I may or may not eat a lot of peanuts. I do like eating peanuts, but they're not like an end-all be-all for me. I feel like the bars and the keto cakes are much more important to me than the peanuts, but I don't know. We'll see as time goes by. So anyway, that's where I am right now. I hope that you guys are all well and that your week has gone wonderfully well and that you're meeting the goals that you have for yourself. I hope that you are enjoying the time with your loved ones that you have on this beautiful Sunday. And it is almost Ruby's birthday, and tonight is Ruby's birthday party. We are having cake and ice cream for her tonight. And tomorrow is going to be a girls' day. So this is going to be a fantastic weekend. I'm super excited about it. Ruby is just over the moon excited, so that always makes it fun as a mom when your kids get excited about things and you get to help make those dreams come true. So anyway, thanks so much for hanging out with me, you guys. Have a beautiful day. We'll talk to you all again soon.